Alright, this is the tea that we're drinking in our It's Creation cup. This is one of my favorite designs, okay? So don't forget to drink your daily tea. Welcome back to another video with Mickey's Tea. Hold on. Woo, hold on. Where y'all at? Well, where's everybody at? Come on. Hey guys, welcome with another video with Mickey's Tea. Okay, so I got a thermal label printer. I'm very excited. I've been waiting to open this for a long time now, and I'm so excited to finally open it, guys. Yes, let's get right into the video. Alrighty, so ooh, hello, hi. Okay, so when you first open it, it looks like this. I'm guessing quick tips. This is just on how to put in your label, and this right here, more information. We'll look at that later. It comes in with your plug. Oh, I guess this goes into the label, the printer, and then connects it to your computer. Okay, oh, it has like a USB in there, and then they actually give you some free printing labels. Okay, right here, this is USB to USB adapter for Mac. Okay, so I'll hold on to this. And then let's find out what's in this box. It looks so pretty. So, oh, this is just like a charger for it. Just a charger. I mean, I knew it came with it, but they don't got it wrapped up in a little box. I'm like, what's in here? So I had to stop the whole thing to open it up, you know, because I'm nosy like that. So let's pack it back up. We know what it is. Okay, so that will go there. That's just to power it up. And then, look at that baby. Okay, got it. Look. Open your eyes to see my new baby. Let's stop playing with y'all. So, take it out. I got it on this turquoise color. I really like this color. I really like this color. And I got it in this color. I think this was like the cheapest one too. But I was really excited to get it because I plan to make some labels with these. I plan to print out labels, like regular shipping labels, and I also plan to make stickers and just other things on this thing as well. So as you can see, it comes up with like an open top, which basically just opens it up. Once you get it open, you're able to adjust it right here. I guess you're able to adjust it, and this is just some information on it. And just close that back right here. it has in the back more information, where to plug in to connect to your computer, where to power. It just has an on and off switch, and the back just has some information on the item itself. And then this is the back, and then this is the front. So that's my thermal label printer. When I purchased this from Amazon, I had searched up this on YouTube, and I had used somebody's discount code. So I don't have a discount code to give you, but I'm not going to keep the tea away from you. Go to YouTube. One of those people that is showcasing this has a discount code for you, okay? So this is the Munbyn, I don't know what it's called. This label printer, they will give you a discount code for it on Amazon, okay? So go to somebody else's page or video and get that discount code, because I sure did get that discount code. So I want to make sure you get it too. Alright, so that is my label printer. I also purchased this from Amazon. This was what, like $10? Not even, I don't remember, but I will let you guys know somewhere over here. So I purchased this from Amazon, and this is where you can basically have the sit on. You can basically have the sit on labels, or you can have the roll labels. So talking about labels, you need to go and get your free labels from UPS, okay? So I got mine. Look at this big thing. This big thing, breaking my arm and everything for free. So I had purchased some from Amazon. I think it was like $500 or something off Amazon. That was like $23, $4, $5, $25 at most. I think that's what it was. And that's $23, $25 back to my pocket, because I can now get it for free, different sizes. My logo is pretty simple. It's black and white. So I plan to make some stickers with my logo. And with the thermal printer, I won't ever have to use any ink. And with this free, like the first few ones are dirty. This is for free. I don't care. The first two ones that was covering it up, they're a little dirty. It's okay. But everything else seems to be fine, clean, shiny, you know. So I'm fine with that. I could lose two. So this one, as you can see, they come in different sizes. It actually doesn't have the size on here though.